Did you know there are two simple positions that can make your partner reach the peak like never before? The second one will have her begging you to stop from too much pleasure. Click here and discover how to transform your performance in bed and make her reach her peak multiple times in one night. Two positions to drive your partner wild with pleasure. Want to know how to blow your partner's mind in bed and literally make her beg you to stop because of overwhelming pleasure? Check out these two incredible positions, loved by most women, and learn how to take your performance to the next level. Before revealing these tips, make sure to like this content and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more advice on how to be unforgettable in the bedroom. First position, doggy style. This classic never goes out of style and is a favorite for both men and women. Besides offering men a privileged view, the sense of submission in this position heightens the pleasure for both partners. How to maximize pleasure in this position. Stimulate the clitoris. To ensure your partner reaches her peak, use your fingers or a vibrator to stimulate her clitoris while maintaining penetration. This combination is incredibly powerful. Adjust her posture. Try having her position herself slightly straighter, with her hands resting against the wall or the headboard. This improves balance and provides greater comfort, allowing for more intense movements. Step up your game. Hold her firmly by the hips, gently pull her hair, or give light spanks on her buttocks to show dominance in a safe and consensual way. Not only does this amplify pleasure, but it also creates a deeper connection between you both. Second position, woman on top. This position gives the woman complete control over the rhythm and depth, allowing her to explore movements that please her the most. How to intensify the experience. Lean her body forward. This way, your faces are closer, allowing for intense eye contact and passionate kisses. This detail creates a deep emotional connection that can enhance her pleasure. Support her movements. Use your hands to hold her waist or buttocks, helping her maintain the rhythm or increase intensity when needed. Natural clitoral stimulation. The angle of this position promotes direct friction between her clitoris and your pelvis, making it perfect for her to achieve multiple orgasms.